Is Webull the best broker? Is it something worth trying? If you don't know it, if you use another broker and you're completely content, should you potentially consider switching to Webull or opening another account with them? Well, firstly, read the disclosure. Advantages to Webull. This is the number one reason why I think you should 100% consider just using the link down below, because it's literally free money for both of us. It's a mutual. Okay, I will get a commission at no extra cost to you. You will literally get free money after your initial deposit. Now, your initial deposit, this is the catch, I guess, if you can call it a catch. It's not a catch. Okay, it's what you have to do for any broker. But with this one, you get free money. So for anything, it's just free money. You have to deposit like $100 or $101 or more for the free money to actually work. But you will legitimately get free money with Webull. I've done it. I've done it a lot of times. Okay, I've had plenty of. Okay, as long as you do it right and click on the link and then open an account, initial deposit is $100. As long as you do it within like a few weeks, it's totally legit. It's free money and legit. This second point here is actually because it's legit broker. You're not going to get scammed. It's not a scam. Okay, investing is not a scam. If you had not learned that at this point, I don't know what to tell you. But if there are any beginners, it's legit. There are billions of dollars flowing through Webull every day. At least, there's hundreds of millions of dollars of transactions going on every few minutes, every few hours, man. Totally legit. Pre-market and after-hours trading. I've been using it for a long time now, half a year. So pre-market and after-hours trading, this is a huge advantage to Webull that most other brokers do not offer. No hidden fees or commission. This is totally true. The SEC regulates that you have to provide any hidden fees that you do, and there are none. There are no hidden fees on Webull's or crap that they're charging you for that you don't know about. One of the only places you can trade on margin with very low fees. Now, I get a lot of complaints on margin. There's a lot of people. There's two stances on margin. Number one, it's my stance where it's like, okay, margin is definitely useful if you can use it and you know what you're doing. And I use margin. Some people hate margin, and that's fine. That's totally cool. But I just want to tell you factually, if you know what you're doing, there's very low fees and there's no risk to it. Like avoiding a margin call is very, very easy, my friends. It's not hard as long as you're not going like 50% in margin. Okay, my margin interest is $74. That may seem like a lot, but that's over 6 months, and that's over me using margin my entire time. Literally the entire time, basically, and a lot of it too. Like so, take that for what it is. But margin fees are very low, and this is one of the best places for margin fees. Also, crypto trading, they do have a fair amount of crypto trading as well. Paper trading as well. Paper trading is awesome, man. They have that included as well. No minimum dollar amount. You don't have to. If you use the link below, you don't have to do. You can deposit however much you want. Okay, you can deposit $0. You can deposit $1. You won't get the free money, free stocks, right? It's not technically free money. It is because you just sell it and then it is free money, but it's in the form of stocks. So, anyways, we also have great charts and indicators for technicals. Okay, you have all the charts. I get questions all the time. What are the charts you use? They're so beautiful. So many indicators. You have all the trend lines, rectangles, Fibonacci's, trend lines, Fibonacci times. Okay, all this stuff that no one even knows about. They don't even know what half the stuff is because it's so advanced. So many indicators. Yes, it has all the indicators you need, all the charts you need. It's great. Okay, for the most part, it has many indicators and as complex as and advanced information as one wants. There are not many brokers that offer a more technical and advanced, not technical, a more advanced platform than Webull does. Full analysis is somewhat possible solely with it, but not recommended by me. So basically, due diligence. If you want to do due diligence on a company, you can get a preview kind of a company. Let me just show you an example here. Let's just go to JMIA, for example. Okay. On the top here, you have news, financials, analysts, order flow, corporate actions, releases. You have options, quotes, You have a lot of stuff here that you can do a lot of analysis with, as opposed to Robinhood, where you have nothing, essentially. So a full analysis is somewhat possible with Webull. That's a benefit. They have options available, right? Options right here. Boom, there you go. Options, If you don't know what this is, if you don't know what any of this means, good luck deciphering this. Maybe I'll do an options video at one point in the future. Short selling is available on Webull as well. They have everything, man. The only thing they don't have is OTC, which we are going to be going over the disadvantages to. Alerts are available for earnings release, IPO news, and price movements. I do use the alerts for price movements on my phone. They have an app too. The app is great. They have an app and the desktop, obviously. So they have all the alerts available. Robinhood doesn't have that. No one. This is the best broker in my opinion. Okay, spoiler alert. I was going to say that at the end. Is Webull the best broker? Yes, it is the best broker, no doubt, for all of these reasons here. There are a few disadvantages, but every other broker has twice as many disadvantages with half as many advantages, in my opinion. Fairly easy to obtain free level 2 market data. Quote table, the order book level 2, there you will have level 1 market data. Level 2, if you know what this is. If you don't, just ignore this, skip past this part. But if you do know what this is, they do offer this, and it's very easy. They have a ton of little programs that are free. Read this course, go through this, watch this ad, or whatever it is, or get a referral, use your referral link, and then you'll get free level 2 data. So that is a benefit. No other brokers have this. Free stocks, obviously. Promotions, they have those promotions. You can get a lot of free money with Webull. They have a ton of promotions to this. News section, but you have to be careful with the news section. I'm not just trying to pump it, right? It is in my best interest, and I am biased, right? I put that disclaimer out at the very start because I'm transparent, and I'm going to be more transparent even than that by saying right now, the news section, all of this stuff, okay, I will tell you if some of this stuff has its drawbacks. Right now we're in the advantage section, but this one right here, news section, there are two sides to this one. The news section, it is there. It is great that there is a news section. Robinhood, Charles Schwab, right? These other ones, they don't really have this stuff typically. A lot of other ones don't. But the news section is not up to date, and it does not update as quick. So that's not really a drawback, right? You shouldn't be relying on your news through your broker. You should be doing it through your Reddit, your Yahoo Finance, your alerts that you set up, right? But anyways, it is delayed, so I wanted to tell you guys that. I'm not just trying to tell you the positives. I'm trying to tell you both so you can make a better decision for you, my friends. Comment section, just be careful with the comment section. That's what I'll say. It's a benefit that you can have that extra information available to you. There are benefits to looking at the comments, but of course, the old timers and watching this right now are like, the comment sections on YouTube and we will never listen to them. There's never any good information. No, there is 100% good information in the Webull comment section, YouTube, Reddit. There is good information there, but not always. Be very careful when you're in there, because most of the time, I don't know about most, but a lot of the time, it's bad information in there. So be careful with the comment section. They abide by all SEC and US regulations. Link to it right here. Is Webull safe? Okay, here we go. This is why Webull is safe. Okay, they insure all your money, SPIC account, FDIC, okay, all this crap, $500,000, $250,000, okay. If there's a mistake, which I've never heard of, in your Webull account, it's totally safe. Okay, they abide by all US regulations. I will link this, I think, if anyone cares and wants to go fact check me on that. Disadvantages: no OTC trading. That is the big one for me. That is the one thing, and it's not a big one because all this other stuff, it's the best broker all in all, no doubt. But this is the big one that I wish they would fix. Not really fix, but I wish they would do this. OTC trading. I know why it's hard for a broker to do this, because a ton more risk, and you're potentially just letting your people get killed. Your investors get killed on OTC trading because it's more volatile. But I really want OTC trading. No fractional shares as well. I don't know what the big deal is with fractional shares. Like, unless you're even if you are a beginner, if you're getting into the stock world, I'm sure you can find stocks that you like that are within your budget, even if you have only $5 to invest. I'm sure if you have $5 to invest, it should not matter if you're in volatile penny stocks, right? If it moves 20% in a day, you're not even going up $1, right? Or barely $1, right? So this is not. Yeah, no fractional shares is a drawback, but it's nothing huge. It is China owned. This is one that people get scared of. Oh, my broker's a China owned broker. That's bad, right? Well, it's really not, guys. Yes, it's owned by a Chinese person. Yes, it's a little sketchy. Okay, sure, if you want to make that argument, sure, if things in China are more sketchy than they are in the U.S., 100% agree. But they abide with all QS regulations, so there's no risk in this. Okay, there's no risk. There's no risk in this. Okay, news section is delayed, right? We already went over that. Comment section can influence your trades. If you're a beginner, they can influence your trades, so be careful with that. Sometimes charts can glitch, lag. Okay, actually, I have not had them lag in a while, but sometimes my internet sucks. I think that's why they lag sometimes. But anyways, I don't know if that's a normal thing, but my Webull charts almost. You guys see my videos. Okay, my videos. I have 1,000 different charts on here. I have a ton of data on my computer. I upload videos, processing, checking the copyright. It takes a ton of data. Webull still does not lag. It usually does not lag. It only lags, I don't know, once every couple weeks, maybe. and it can glitch and lag once every couple weeks, like any other broker. For beginners, Webull may be overwhelming, but in the aggregate, overall, I'm not going to rant and say I can get into a whole spiel and a speech on why for beginners I think Webull is the best option. But there's an argument to be made that it's not, because it's too overwhelming, too many things. Like if you're a beginner and you come in here to stocks, it's like, what the heck does all this stuff mean? There's too many stocks. Like go to all stocks, start scrolling down. There's like thousands of stocks. It's like, I can't take this. Yes, still overwhelming in the aggregate, in a good way, in my opinion. And that leads me to, is Webull the best broker? Yes, there is no doubt in my mind it is the best broker. There's no doubt. Okay, anyone with a brain is going to tell you this at this point. Just no other place offers you free money with pre-market and after-hours trading, no hidden fees, crypto trading, paper trading. Okay, it's a sophisticated. It's got all the indicators you need. It's got news sections. It's got comments. It's safe. It's short selling options. It's got everything essentially. Okay, so. That's what I'll leave you with for today. Relevant information in regards to the title is finished now. And let me know any of your questions. If you're skeptical and you're like, how do I do this? What is where I click on your link, and then what, right? It's really simple. Once you actually click on my link, it'll take you to the Webull page, website or app, or not, website, I guess, if you're on the phone or a computer. It'll take you to the website, and you'll sign up. You sign up, create account. You put your bank in if you want, or you link your deposit, however you want to do that. It's really simple. It's foolproof. So it's really perfect actually, which is why I only give you guys, and of course I know this is in my best interest to say this, and this is what most YouTubers say, but I think you guys can tell if I'm being honest or not when I say this stuff. Okay, I mean the proof is right here. This is why I believe what I believe. Webull is the best broker. It's safe, and it is the best broker, no doubt. I only recommend products that I actually believe in. This is an affiliate link, so I'm putting my reputation. I am betting my auspicious dissenT reputation on Webull being a good broker, and I lose no sleep at night doing that because of all these things. Okay, they abide by all SEC regulations. Okay, there's no risk in this. All of these things, I've been using it for 6 months, and there's been no problems. I recommend this product. It's totally legit. So that's how you know I believe what I'm saying, essentially. Anyways, relevant information is done now. Okay, send me some feedback if y'all want. Lots of video. I'm gonna try to do a ton of videos today. Watch out for the ads at the end of the video. Check out merch. Check out the description if you want. Also, quick plug. I guess this is all plugging, but it's after the relevant section is done. Check out the Auspicious dissenTer subreddit. I know most of the people that watch now through the end of this have already joined, but we only have 31 members, and there are thousands of people who watch the videos. So it's a good Reddit, man. We have important information coming out all the time. So yeah, I'm trying to make this the next track stocks for subreddit. And if you don't have Reddit and you don't know what it is, you're like, I'm too old for this stuff. The kids coming up with new stuff all the time, right? It's really simple, man. Reddit it's basically a form of social media, but it's not social media really. It's more just information for investors. But if you are going to do Reddit, just be careful. Of course, it's basically a comment section in a more civilized and informative way, basically, but a very more accurate and civilized way. That's what I would say. This is what a post looks like. Okay, anyways, this is not financial advice, y'all. Thank you so much. I'll see y'all in the next one.